Hello, my friend, and welcome. Welcome back to English with Grandpa Joe. I am so happy you're here with me tonight. Come in, come in. Sit down by my desk. It is evening now. The sky is soft and dark. My little lamp is warm and bright. It is a quiet time, a perfect time for something special. Tonight, I write a letter. Yes, a letter. I write to an old friend. Her name is Mary. Mary is my dear friend. She lives far, far away, over the sea. I have not seen her for a long time. So tonight, I write to her. Take a deep breath with me, in and out. Good. Come sit close and let us write a letter together. First, I get my things ready. I take out my paper. It is nice cream-colored paper. I take out my pen. It is my old fountain pen. I like to write with this pen. I also make a cup of tea and I put it on my desk. A warm cup of tea for a quiet evening. Now everything is ready. My paper, my pen, my tea, my warm lamp. I sit down at my desk. I feel calm and happy. Writing a letter is a lovely thing, my friend. When we write a letter, we send our love on paper. We send our words across the sea. Now, let us begin. Let us write the very first words. A letter is a special thing. In a letter, we can say what is in our heart. We can take our time. We can choose our words slowly. And when our friend reads the letter, they feel our love. So let us write with care. Let us write with kindness. At the top of the letter, I write the date, today's date. Then I start the letter. How do we start a letter? We start with a kind word. I write, Dear Mary. Dear, that is a warm and friendly word. We write dear and then the name of our friend. Dear Mary. Or we can write, Dear friend. If you write to me, you can write, Dear Joe. It is a soft way to begin. It says, You are special to me. I look at the words, Dear Mary. I smile. I feel close to my friend already, even though she is far away. Now, what do I write next? Let me think. Mary and I have been friends for many years. We grew up in the same little town. We laughed together. We helped each other. Even now, far apart, she is still my dear friend. I want to ask her how she is. Next, I ask my friend how she is. I write, How are you? This is a kind question, my friend. How are you? We ask this because we care. We want to know if our friend is well. I write, How are you, Mary? I hope you are well. I hope you are happy. Then I write, I think about you often. That is a warm thing to say. It tells my friend that she is in my heart. I write slowly. I choose my words with care. Each word is a little gift. Writing does not need to be fast. Writing needs to come from the heart. I read my words again. How are you? I hope you are well. Yes, that is good. That is kind. When we write to a friend, we think of them first. We ask about their life. We wish them well. A letter is not only about me. A letter is a way to say, I care about you. Now, I share a little news. I tell Mary about my life. I write, I am well, thank you. I am happy here. Then I tell her small things. I write, the weather is cold now. Winter is here. But my house is warm and cozy. I write, I made a soup today. It was very good. I tell her small, simple things. That is what a letter is for. We share the little moments of our life. Small news is good news. I write, my garden is sleeping now, but in spring, the flowers will come back. I like to tell my friend about my day. It makes her feel close, even from far away. Little words, little news, shared with love. We do not need big news. We do not need exciting stories. We just tell our friend about our quiet days, what we ate, what we saw, how the weather is. These little things make a letter feel real. They make our friend feel close to us. Then I share one happy piece of news. I write, I have some good news, Mary. I teach English now. I have a little channel. Every week, I talk to friends all over the world. It makes me so happy. I smile as I write these words. I think of you, my friend, watching me now. You are one of these friends all over the world. I write, I have kind friends who listen to me. They come from many countries. They are learning English slowly and gently. I am very lucky. Sharing good news is a joy. When something makes us happy, we tell our friends, and they are happy for us too. That is what friends are for. Now, I ask about her life too. A good letter is not only about me. I want to know about my friend. I write, and how is your life, Mary? How is your family? Are your children well? Are your grandchildren growing tall? I ask kind questions. I write, please tell me all your news. I want to hear everything. Then I write, I miss you, my friend. I miss our long talks. I miss your kind smile. It is okay to say I miss you. It is a warm and honest thing to say. It tells our friend that they are important to us. I read my letter again, slowly. It is full of kind words. It is full of love. Now it is time to end the letter. How do we end a kind letter? We end with warm words. I write, please write back to me soon. I would love to hear from you. Then at the very end, I write my goodbye. I write, with love, your friend, Joe. Oh, that is a beautiful way to end a letter. It sends our love across the sea. Or we can write, take care, or your friend. All of these are kind. I sign my name at the bottom, Joe. Now the letter is finished. I fold it softly. I put it in an envelope. I write Mary's name on the front. Tomorrow, I will send it to her. My words will travel far to my dear friend. I think of the letter flying over the sea. I think of Mary opening it one morning. I think of her smile as she reads my words. That thought makes me so happy. A letter is a little piece of my heart sent far away. Now, my friend, let us say some letter words together. Listen to me first, then say them after me, slowly. Are you ready? Say, dear friend. Very good. Again, dear friend. Lovely. Now say, how are you? Wonderful. Now say, I hope you are well. Oh, that is so kind. Now say, I miss you. Beautiful. And now the last one, say with love. Perfect. You are doing so well, my friend. These are gentle words from the heart. Now, a little question for you. Tell me, who would you write a letter to? Is it a friend? Is it your family? Think of that person. Say their name out loud. I'm sure they would love a letter from you. Well, my friend, my letter to Mary is finished, and it is full of love. Tomorrow, it will begin its long journey across the sea, and soon my dear friend will read my kind words. What a lovely thought. Thank you. Thank you for sitting with me tonight. Thank you for listening and for saying the words with me. You did so beautifully. Remember, writing a kind letter is a gift you give with your own hands. Maybe this week, you can write to someone you love. If you enjoyed our quiet evening together, please subscribe to the channel and give this video a little like. It makes this old teacher so happy. Now, finish your tea and rest well. I will see you again very soon. Take care of yourself, my dear friend. Goodbye. Goodbye for now.